You're gonna wish you knew this Desmos trick when you took the SAT because it saves a ton of time. Basically, if you have any equation, you just need to type it in and Desmos can solve it for you. So you get an equation, you have to turn the x into an x1, you just type the 1 right after the x and automatically puts it as a subscript, and then change the equal sign to a squiggly line, which is the top left of your keyboard under the escape button, and you see it just tells you what x1 is. But what if the question isn't asking you to find x? Like for this one, it was x, but there's also a in there, and it's asking you to find a, not x. All you have to do is type it in the same way, like this, but now define x1 as some random numbers. So in this case, let's put x1 equals 1, 2, 3. And now it'll tell you what the value of a is. It says it's -3. It gets even crazier. You can solve system of equations with this thing as well. It's pretty much the same thing, but now that there's multiple equations, you kind of have to smush it together into one thing. So since there was 2 equations, you just take the right sides of the 2 equations and you put them in one spot. Make sure there's brackets around it, and then there's a comma separating the 2 equations. Same thing for the left side. So there's 2 equations, and you just take the left side of the 2 equations and you put them in this. And make sure the orders match too. So if the first equation, you put the right side first, then that equation, you have to make sure the left side is first too. And you do the same thing. It tells you x1 and y1. The question asks what is x squared plus y squared. You just put that there. It tells you it's 62. That easy.